here known as Trade Shop, and yeah, some interesting things here on the Bitcoin chart. We did get a small bounce like yesterday, what I was expecting, and yeah, now we're rejecting at the top side of this range here that I had marked out yesterday. That's our first rejection. This now pivot can be moved. I think fair to say we can move this pivot now more accurately to the downside here, something like that. And I do think that it does accumulate along this level. I do think we do get one more bounce here, and I do think we try up here to that 53. Maybe we do get another pullback at 52,000. But that is what I'm looking for. I am looking for this thing to bounce a little bit. It's still holding. You see, it got that wick rejection on the daily perfectly. That's exactly where we were talking about that bounce coming in. And yeah, it looks like we do want to put a wick fill in, but I do want to give it a chance to bounce here. Now, the big question is, if we do bounce, do we put in a higher low, or does this reverse? And a higher low, if it does come up above 57,000 and then start dumping back, that would be the biggest fake out. I mean, I can't imagine. I mean, it has broken structure, so technically, no matter where the pullback is, it should technically continue down. But for me personally, I think we do pull back into even possibly here 54,000 before coming back down here. But if we do take this wick out here at 48,005, I do see a continuation straight down to 47.5, and that's like $1,000 move, and probably even a little bit lower. Looking at Ethereum quickly to wrap this video up. Same thing with Ethereum, but Ethereum here on the other hand has some more clean pivots here. We'll go on the 4 hour. 4 hours looking good. I'm going to remove this now. I'm going to move this up to this area here like so. That's a very strong support level. And yeah, that's how it's going to play out. Now, Ethereum looks very bullish, to be honest. Ethereum is holding nice. Look, it didn't even manage to it didn't break structure. So Ethereum, to be honest, if this does come down, let me have a look at the lower time frames. I think it does bounce from this area, because look how many times, and this is an easy place to place some sort of stop loss. And I do think that's a nice opportunity. If it was to come down here to about 2133, I think that would be a nice place. And I do think it would bounce off from there somewhere like this. And you can see how you have this rising lows coming here like so. And essentially what Ethereum has the chance, if Bitcoin does range, Ethereum then has the chance to bounce here, come back up, retest this, come back down, boom, breakout. And Ethereum, I do think it'll end up hitting my upside targets. I do think we will see some nice price action from Ethereum. And I do think that is a possibility. I do see that happening. So with that being said, take care, trade sharp, and until next time, peace.